missed you guys so much. For those of you who don't follow me on Snapchat, Twitter, or Instagram, I have been absent because I was left with no computer for a really long time now. But if you're watching this video, it's because I already got my computer. I used to have a desktop computer and it was failing a lot, so now I have a laptop. I am so happy I can edit now on the go and not just edit here at home, but edit anywhere I go. Anyways, I am back. I'm just letting you guys know what's been going on, if in case you're not following me on Snapchat or Twitter. If you don't follow me in any of those platforms, please make sure to follow me there in case, you know, something happens. You guys are updated. I've also been more active on Instagram. I've started using Instagram stories. Anyways, today's video involves my first PR. Yes! I'm gonna try to use most of the products in there and also swatch them for you guys. The brand is Kiss New York Professional. When they were telling me about this brand, I thought it was the Kiss brand where, you know, they do fake nails, the lashes. That's what I thought. I wasn't actually wrong, because when you go to their website, which is kissnypro.com, you can actually see at the bottom, if you scroll down, you get connected to Ruby Kiss. It's like another cosmetic line as well, and Kiss USA. All of those three are connected. This is the beautiful box that I will not throw away. And in here it says be your own pro. So I got a contour kit right here, which looks a little bit dark on the packaging, but we'll see. This is in the shade medium. Then I got another palette. This is the Ombre Radiance palette, blush contour palette, and this is in the shade Demure. So you have a contour shade, you have a blush, and you have a highlight. Then I got in here a matte eyeshadow palette. This is the Hexa palette. I also got a jumbo pen eyeliner. This is the Dead Sexy liner. I haven't used any type of liner markers, but I'm excited to try it out. Then I got a brow pencil, guys. I was actually in need of a brow pencil because I ran out of my NYX brow pencil, but I'm gonna give this guy a try. This is the Top Brow Fine Precision Brow Pencil, and this is in the shade Brunette. That's good. Let's hope it's not too red. Then I also got the Top Brow Cream. This is in the shade Blonde. That's definitely not my color. Then I got two lip glosses. These are the where are they? The Luxe Creamy lip glosses. I got two shades. This color is in the shade Readylicious, and this one is Sorbet Pink. I'm really excited to try these. Then I also got the Queen Creamy Lipstick, and this is the shade Bottoms Up. Then I got this Egoism Matte Velvet Lipstick, and this is in the shade Black Calia. Oh my goodness, guys. This is intense. This is black, and it comes like in a teardrop shape. Whatever I don't use on my face, I will swatch it for you guys. I'm gonna open the brow pencil and see if this is my shade. I went on the website and I checked out other colors. The next shade after this one I think is dark brown, and then they have the darkest shade. Here it is. These products actually are very affordable. This brand actually reminds me a lot of NYX because they say they are high quality products and they are sold at a very affordable price. Here we go. It does remind me a lot of the micro brow pencil from NYX. I'm gonna swatch it right here for you guys. There you go, I'm gonna swatch it here. Wow, this swatch is terrible. I'm gonna remove my glasses. I'm gonna brush on my brows. That shade looks like my color. I'm trying to rub it. Like, if you rub hard, it does come off, just like I guess any other brow pencil, but it's kind of hard to rub it off. So this little guy on their American website, it actually retails for $9. So let's try this brow pencil. It's a really good pencil. It's really pigmented. I'm so used to the angled brow pencil now. Ooh, I am liking this shade. I can tell it's definitely a little bit warmer, but I don't mind that. I used to have the NYX brow pencil in the shade Brunette, and it did the same thing. And I kept using it because my hair sometimes is like reddish. I'm just gonna use the spoolie now. This is my brow with a fine precision brow pencil from Kiss in the shade Brunette. I like it. And it's mechanical. I always prefer mechanical than pencil ones because you have to sharpen it up and I don't like that. My brows are done. I'm just gonna quickly conceal my eyelids. Okay guys, I'm going to open the Hexa palette. Also retails I think $9 and that is American. So here is the Hexa eyeshadow palette. This is in the shade Matte Nude. This is what the colors look like. They do say that their formulas are super blendable. So when swatching these eyeshadows, they felt so soft. I feel like it's a little bit more on the cool tone side, so I'm just gonna bring in some color from another palette. So since we were in like the affordable kind of thing, I've decided to grab the NYX Lit Lingerie palette. This I believe retails for $11 Canadian. I'm gonna dip in my blending brush from Sigma on this super warm color and I'm just gonna apply that on my crease really quick. I'm gonna do probably like a smoky brown eye. Let's see how it goes. We're gonna do something easy and quick. Okay. Then I'm gonna go with my Morphe M441 brush. I know it's dirty, don't mind it. And there's no names either. So I'm gonna grab this color right here, which is the second darkest color in the palette. And I'm gonna apply it all over the eyelid. I actually see that they are pretty pigmented. Just gonna blend the crease together with that one so they merge in. I'm just gonna dip my brush again into that warm shade from the NYX palette. I think it's pretty good. I can see some patches. I'm not gonna lie to you guys, but I mean, you can always darken it up with the other darker color. I did dip my brush into the darker shade. I'm impressed. Honestly, guys, that was pretty quick. All right, guys, I'm gonna do the other eye. Now I'm just gonna grab in this color right here and highlight my brow bone with it. So far, so good. They do blend nicely. So I'm just gonna move on to eyeliner. I'm gonna try and use this. Let's see how it goes. I've never used a felt tip liner before, and this is a jumbo felt tip liner. It says here that you can do an intense cat eye look or a sultry razor thin line. That's the tip. You guys see the tip? It's pretty thick. I'm just gonna swat. Whoa, that's actually a pretty fine line. Wow. Obviously, I can definitely clean up the bottom. What do you guys think? I think that this marker is so black. Like, honestly, guys, I'm just gonna sharpen it up using a makeup palette. I honestly now understand why some people prefer felt tip liners. I gotta say, this is not what I expected a felt tip liner to be. Moving on, for my lashes, I'll be using, like always, my Cocoa lashes. So these are in the style Venus. Alright guys, so now I'm going to do my foundation and conceal my under eyes off of camera, and I'll be right back. So I'm just gonna finish the eyes before I jump into contour. So I'm gonna grab a pencil brush. This one's by Sigma, and I'm gonna dip it into that orangey shade from the NYX palette. I'm going to blend it on my bottom lash. Okay, so now I'm going to go back into the Hexa palette, and I'm dipping in a flat definer brush into the darkest shade, which is this one right here, and really applying this near the lashes. I'm going to dip my pencil brush, but in the second darkest shade, and blending those three together. I'm just going to grab a pencil brush. This one's by Morphe. It's very tiny. It's perfect for that inner corner. And I'm going to dip it into the lightest shade. And we're going to highlight that inner corner right here. And I'm kind of bringing it up. I'm actually going to leave the waterline clean just because I do not have a nude liner for my eyes. The eyeshadow palette has an awesome formula. It actually stays on the eyelids and it blends really well together. But it is definitely not colors I would wear a lot. The colors are very cool for my liking. You guys know me, I love warm tone colors, but it's always fun to try something outside your comfort zone. Next, I am going to open up this little guy. This is the contour kit in the shade medium. It's a cute packaging. I really like the packaging here because it actually gives you the tips on how to contour like a pro. I think it's really cute, and it does come with a brush. This is the brush. It's a travel size brush. It's angled, as you guys can see, and this is the palette. This is the palette that I have already swatched. These are the colors. In my opinion, they feel a little bit, just a little bit dark. There is only light, medium, deep. It should be okay. I'm gonna give it a shot and see how it goes. The brush doesn't feel soft. Feels like that kind of brush that will stab you when you're blending. I'm gonna give it a shot. It tells you this is the highlight, this is the bronzer, and this is the contouring shade. So I'm gonna use the darkest shade, which is this one right here, to contour my face. Color is not bad. I feel like you can see it getting a little bit warmer as I keep going. Maybe it's the way it looks on camera. I actually like it in person. I think the shade looks really nice. You want to start building up this color because they are very, very pigmented. It is definitely warmer than what I would use. Alright guys, so I had to change because I'm like sweating bullets here. Anyways, I think I do like this shade. It's just, I feel like the camera is not picking up the real color. It's warmer and it looks really nice. So I'm just gonna kind of contour a little bit of my forehead. Now let's see how this shade will work for my nose. I'm just gonna contour very lightly, nothing too serious. So I'm just gonna grab a smaller angled brush. This one is by Sephora. Very softly. So as you guys can see, it definitely is warmer on the nose. I'm going to add some of my little powder just so it doesn't look too harsh. I'm actually not minding the orangey undertone to it. I prefer it than the pink undertone, honestly. Okay, I actually like this. Now I'm gonna bronze up using this shade right here. I'm gonna grab this fluffy brush. This is by Lime Creme. Just gonna add a little bit on my forehead. Ooh, you know what? I actually haven't tried this other one. This is the Ombre Radiance palette. Oh, a little plastic. Oh, I don't know what to use. This is in the shade Demure. So what I'm going to do, this is a highlighter right here. What I'm going to do is I'm going to grab the same brush that I use for my bronzer, and I'm going to add that on top of it because it is very shimmery. It kind of gives you that goldeny look. I definitely do like this palette. Next, I'm going to grab this palette. I'm going to use this blush right here. I'm going to dip a blush brush and we're going to add that on the apples of our cheeks. Ooh. What I'm going to do next is I will grab my highlighting brush and I'm going to dip it into the highlighting part of this brush. Of this palette. It definitely has a more pinky undertone to it. So the highlight is not blinding the way I normally like my highlight. I'm just going to highlight my Cupid's bow. I'm also going to highlight my nose using that same color and the tip of my nose as well. I'm not sure if I'm going to contour with this shade right here because I felt like it was a little bit too pink. The blush was really nice. The contour shade, it looks like it has a sheen to it. I don't think I would want to contour with that. But the blush and the highlighter is really beautiful. So for the lips, I was sent out a few products. This is Egoism Matte Velvet Lipstick and this is in the shade Black Calia. It feels very creamy. I don't know if it will dry to a matte finish. I have other lipsticks that are velvet and matte. They feel drier than this. So I'm just going to leave it for a bit and see if it will or not dry to a matte finish. But as you can see in this close-up, it kind of looks a little bit like it's not of an intense black as I thought it would be. I mean, it is a creamy lipstick, so I guess maybe once you let it dry, you can apply another layer. I'll definitely play around with this lipstick more because I do like black lipstick. The other black lipstick that I have is a liquid matte lipstick, so that one goes on more pigmented because it's a liquid lipstick. The next lipstick that I got is the Queen Creamy Lipstick. This one is in the shade Bottoms Up. This color right here, guys, is so beautiful. It's more like a corally color. The formula feels really creamy, and the doe applicator is a really good one. This reminds me a lot of the NYX lip oil doe applicators, and the packaging is very, very cute. I like it. The smell, it has like a shampoo scent. It's subtle on this one. Let me see this one. I didn't check. Yeah. It has a shampoo scent. It's very subtle, but it has a shampoo scent. It's a good smell. Next, I got these two lip glosses. This is in the shade Redilicious, and this is in the shade Sorbet Pink. Sorbet Pink is very, very soft. It's more of a transparent gloss. It has little specks of glitter on it. It's really pretty. It's a really beautiful gloss. And I think that's the one I'm gonna wear right now. I'm just gonna pair it with a lip liner. The next shade, which is Redilicious, is such a beautiful red. Oh my god, guys. When you swatch it, you can definitely see it's more transparent, but it definitely has that tint. It's really, really gorgeous. I love it. And the smell on them is also like shampoo. They smell so good. So the lip liner that I'll be using right now is the NYX Slide-On Lip Liner, and this is in the shade Nude Suede Shoes. This is like my favorite lip liner. So now I'm going to go in with Pink Sorbet Lip Gloss. Ooh, ooh, it doesn't feel sticky. It does not feel like that at all. Guys, I'm in love with this gloss. It feels comfortable on lips. I'm looking back at the shades. Bottoms Up, the creamy lipstick, looks more matte than this one, but if I touch the edge, it definitely still creamy. This one, like, it's still very satin. Alright guys, so this is the finished look. I am super, super happy with the quality on these products and honored that Roy Relations reached out to me and sent me these products. I can definitely see that they are kind of similar to NYX products because they are giving you high quality products in a very affordable price. They are cruelty free. You're able to get your hands on these products at Rexall's and at London Drugs. These stuff were just sent out to me, and how did I not know about this brand before? And last but not least, I want to give a huge thanks to Haley from Roy Relations, because you helped the girl out, and I'm so thankful for all these products. Thank you, Kiss New York, for giving me an opportunity and for being my first PR. Let me know what your thoughts are, what you think about the makeup look. Leave your comments down below. I got another first impressions video coming up. I'm happy to be back. I'll see you guys on my next video. Please do not forget to subscribe if you haven't, and I'll see you guys next time. Goodbye! Oh god, I need to sneeze. That's the worst. And I'm gonna... Okay. Chopper! Not now. And I'm gonna go back. He's sad. Yeah, I know you're sad. I'm telling everybody you're sad. See this? This is like conversations we have on a daily basis. That's our new microwave. Oh no! Look what my nail did to it. I am so sad. Haley from Roy to Haley from Roy Relations. Jesus.